This is a UGears Tram model set. I got it at a yard sale on Saturday for $1. It's Ukrainian. This thing was made in Ukraine. And at first it looked very daunting. And then I realized it wasn't too hard to press the parts out of this wood. Kind of tricky, but not bad. And I'm starting to assemble it now. Very interesting. It uses wood, candle wax, and toothpicks. And if this is the kind of thing that Ukrainian youth are doing instead of playing video games, we're doomed. Okay, I've gotten this far with the trolley car, which is a wonderfully complicated bit of machinery, but I'm at the critical point where I'm putting this part on with the rubber band, and I'm not entirely sure from the illustration how that goes in. Well, here's the finished product. A good deal more complicated than it really needs to be, I think. For instance, there's a flyer gear down there that I'm wondering why it's required. And there's the track. I found this works better if you lift one end. So let's see it in action. Well, it's got a rubber band motor that frankly doesn't work too well. Okay, I gave it a much bigger wind this time. Let's see what we got now. Come on. Well, doesn't seem to work too well. Perhaps I'm doing something wrong here. Okay, we're going to give it another try. Well, here's another try. And the third time is the charm.